I'm Christy McGuire, and I'd like to tell you about my new project called the Parents Math Toolbox. The idea for the Parents Math Toolbox started last fall when I was clicking around on Facebook in a support group for dyslexic parents. I am the parent of multiple children with specific learning disabilities, and I find that interacting with other dyslexia parents online has been incredibly helpful. A mom asked for help in math for her dyslexic child. I knew the answer. Orton Gillingham Math is the answer. I recommended it to her, but she couldn't use my recommendation. She couldn't afford another tutor, and that broke my heart. A few weeks later, another similar situation. Someone couldn't find an Orton Gillingham Math tutor. It made me sad. I also started thinking about what about dyslexic students who are often brilliant at subjects like physics or economics, but who need to make it through algebra. What's the solution for them? I didn't really have one, other than I thought I can figure it out. I understand what multisensory instruction is, and I've taught physics, and I can figure this out. And I thought I want to share this with as many parents as possible. So the first way that I wanted to share it was by encouraging my local public school district to engage in Orton Gillingham math training for our teachers. And they've done that, and I'm so excited and proud. But I know many parents don't have access to a great public education system like we have here in my town. And so I thought, what else can I do to make this available? That's when the idea of Parents Math Toolbox came. I thought, I can make videos that explain to parents and to students how to do math in an Orton Gillingham way. Now, it isn't Orton Gillingham math tutoring. If you can get Orton Gillingham math tutoring, you should. But it's a second best that will be more accessible to more people. And so I'm excited to share this program with you and to be able to work with your child by giving them videos that are appropriate instruction for what they need to learn to be successful in math, starting with arithmetic and working all the way through calculus and getting ready for those SATs. Let me know what I can do to help you, and I'm looking forward to working with you.